In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage versions in Lovable. Navigating version control can be a bit tricky, but with these easy steps, you'll be able to handle it confidently in no time. Whether you're a beginner or someone needing a bit of a refresher, this guide is for you. Let's start by heading to the Lovable dashboard, where you'll find all your projects lined up. On the left-hand side, you should see an option labeled All Projects. Clicking here will give you access to your list of projects, ensuring that you can easily manage what you're working on. Once you're in the All Projects section, it's time to select the specific project you're working on. Simply browse through your list and click on the project that you need. This step is quite straightforward, but take your time to ensure that you're selecting the correct project, as this is crucial for effective version management. Now, once you've selected your project, look for the clock-like icon, which represents the View History icon. It's usually located above the main panel, and this is where you'll gain access to the history of your project's versions. Clicking on this icon will open a timeline of all the changes and updates that have been made to your project, giving you a comprehensive overview of its version history. With the version history now displayed, you can select a specific version you wish to manage. You might notice there are options for undoing or reverting changes. These are represented by arrows. Clicking on one of these arrows allows you to restore your project to the version you've selected. This feature is incredibly useful if you ever need to backtrack or undo recent changes that might not have gone as planned. After selecting the version you'd like to revert to, you will need to make your choice final by clicking on the Revert button. This action will confirm your decision and restore the project to the state it was in during the version you chose. It's always a good idea to double check before you revert, ensuring that the selected version is indeed the one you want to revert back to. And there you have it, managing versions in Lovable simplified. Remember, version control is a powerful tool that allows you to keep your projects organized and clean, and following these steps will help to maintain that structure. If you ever find yourself overwhelmed, just take a breath, follow the steps we've discussed, and you'll have things back on track in no time. Thanks for joining me today, and happy version managing.